Good morning, everyone. As I have discussed the degrees of comparison type 1 and type 2 in my last video, so I am here with some questions of type 1 so that I can give you revision of type 1 questions in degrees of comparison. Type 2 also we are going to do revision some of the questions from type 2. Then in the next video I'll make type 3 and type 4. Okay. So as I have said in the type 1, comparative degree and positive degree, there are these two degrees come under the type 1. It does not include superlative degree. Here in type 1 we make a comparison between two. Here you can see the first example, Lara is not so good as Virat. Here in this example, Lara and Virat, there are two names. So superlative degree will not be possible in this case. Okay, because in superlative degree we make comparison one with all. But here we are comparing Lara and Virat. So have a look to this question. Lara is not so good as Virat. If Lara is not so good, then who is good? Virat. But as we are going to change it into comparative, superlative is not possible. We have to change into comparative only. So we will start from Virat. As I said that we start from the second name. I have said in the previous video. So we are going to write Virat is, and one more thing I said, if this one sentence in this type 1, if one sentence is in negative, the answer will be in positive. If the question is in positive, then answer will be in negative. So Lara is not so good as Virat. It means Virat is, what is the word here, adjective? Good. What will be the comparative degree for good? Better. So we are going to use, as we are changing into comparative degree, we cannot use the positive degree form. This question is in positive degree. Lara is not so good as Virat. Here the comparison is between Lara and Virat. Here the positive degree is used in the question. We are changing into comparative degree. So comparative for good is better. Answer would be Virat is better than Lara. Okay. Now see the next question. Now coming to question number 2. Rohan is as rich as Mohan. Rohan is as rich as Mohan. Here this word rich, positive degree, I have written here P. So we have to change it into comparative degree. How can we change this sentence into comparative degree? We have to start from Mohan. Mohan is, here you see as rich as. So in answer we have to use not, because in the question not word is not used. So Mohan is not, what is the comparative degree for rich? Richer. Mohan is not richer. Mohan is not richer than Rohan. Okay. Coming to the third question, Delhi is hotter than Shimla. Delhi is hotter than Shimla. As you can see this word hotter, which degree is it? This is comparative degree. This is comparative degree. So now Delhi is hotter than Shimla. How can we change this sentence into positive? We have to start from Shimla. Shimla is, it is hotter, it will be not so hot. Shimla is not so hot as Delhi. Shimla is not so hot as Delhi. Now coming to the last question, the fourth question. Hari is as tall as Pawan. Hari is as tall as Pawan. Answer would be, this question is like question number 2. These two questions are same, and I think you can write it yourself. Okay. Hari is tall. Comparative degree will be taller, but you have to use not. Hari is not taller. Hari is not taller than, sorry, Pawan. We have to start from Pawan. as I said that we have to start from the second name. So answer will be Pavan is not taller than Hari. Okay. Now let's read out these answers. The first question, Lara is not so good as Virat. Answer is Virat is better than Lara. Here good is positive degree. We are changing into comparative. So we have used better here. Now the next one is Rohan is as rich as Mohan. Answer will be Mohan is not so rich. So I have missed to write here. Mohan is not so rich. Oh, sorry. Richer. My mistake. Sorry. Mohan is not richer than Rohan. Have a look to this question. Rich is positive degree and we are using comparative degree here. So Rohan is as rich as Mohan. Answer will be Mohan is not richer than Rohan. Okay, because here this is the positive degree. You are changing into comparative degree. This sentence as rich as it will change into is not richer than. Okay. Next, Delhi is hotter than Shimla. Shimla is not so hot as Delhi. Hotter is comparative degree. We have changed into positive degree. Now, Hari is as tall as Pavan. So, Pavan is not taller than Hari. Tall is positive degree. We have changed into comparative degree. Here you see from starting. Not so good, better. As rich as, not richer. Hotter, not so hot. Tall, not taller. So here this combination you just understand. In one sentence not will be there either in the question or in the answer. I am talking about type 1. In type 1 in one sentence not will be there either in the question or in the answer. Okay, but in any one place, in both the places if you write not, that will be wrong. Okay, so don't commit such type of mistakes. Now let us solve few questions of type 2. Okay, very few questions. Have a look. So I have written a question here. Have a look. No other river in the world is so long as Nile. No other river in the world is so long as the Nile. This sentence is in positive degree because the word is long, not longer, not longest. Now let us change it into comparative. See, one more way how can you identify whether it is a positive, comparative and superlative. In the previous video I said you about the TAN. T means the greatest, the best or anything. A means any other and N means no other. If the question starts with no other, it means you understand that it is positive degree. If question starts with no other, understand that it is positive degree. Now let us change into superlative first because it's easiest. I think it is the easiest. The easiest. Coming to this question, no other river in the world is so long as the Nile. It means answer will be Nile is the long. What will be the superlative degree for long? Longest. Nile is the longest river in the world. In the world. How can we change this sentence into comparative now? Any other, as I said. So answer will be Nile. Both will start from Nile only. Nile is longer than any other river. Nile is longer than any other river in the world. Okay. Now one more question. Last question. Let us solve. So I have written one more question here. Cobra is more dangerous than any other snake. Cobra is more dangerous than any other snake. So here more dangerous. From this word more you can understand that this is comparative degree. This is comparative degree. We can change this sentence into superlative as well as in positive degree. So let us try to solve it. First we will change it into superlative degree. So if it is in comparative, and when we change from comparative to superlative, in that case we can start from the same this word itself. So it will be cobra is the most dangerous snake. Cobra is the most dangerous snake. Here I have not written in the world, in the country, anything can be the question. Okay. So this is comparative. Cobra is the most dangerous snake in the world. You can add this in the world. Okay. Now, if I want to change this into positive degree, how can I change that? I have to write, what is the formula? Any other is in the question. Any other we use in comparative degree. In superlative degree we use the most dangerous. Okay. The and est form. So here dangerous, with that we cannot add est, so we have used most. But what is the formula for positive degree? No other. Do you remember that? No other. So we are going to write here, no other snake is so dangerous. No other snake is so dangerous than no other snake in the world. I have not written that. No other snake in the world. I missed to write. No other snake in the world is so dangerous. As cobra. So how can we change these type of sentences into positive? See, this is type 2. In type 2, positive, comparative and superlative, all these three come. In type 1 I said only comparative and positive we can include in type 1. In type 1, superlative degree we cannot include because there we make comparison between two always. Now here when we are doing type 2, remember this formula. How can you identify whether it is type 1? If the question is in positive degree, then the question will be no other. In that question you will find no other. If the question is in comparative degree, then it will be any other. Or if the question is in superlative degree, it will be the and est form. The best, the cleverest, the smartest, something like that. Okay. So, and answer will be in the same way. Whatever the question is, you have to answer according to that using these techniques. I mean, this type 2 rules and what I have said. Now, in my next video, I'm going to explain type 3 and type 4. And of course, we are going to solve some extra questions after the explanation of type 3 and 4. By that time, keep practicing. Thank you. Have a good day.